Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the accessibility checker that's in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. As you can see, we're using the same syllabus that we had in the previous tutorial, so this way you'll be a little bit familiar with what we're working with. In order to get to the actual accessibility checker, go up to Tools, scroll down until you find Accessibility. Just simply click on the icon. Once you do that, you'll see you have a menu off to your right of different options. What I would suggest is do a full check first. It'll actually scan through your document and then let you know what areas are areas to just check on and areas to actually correct. You could just leave all the default settings and click on Start Check. Right away it tells you that your document has 3 issues. We have an alternate text issue and a table issue. We kind of remember all those issues in our original Word document. If we had fixed them in that Word document and then converted it to a PDF, you'd be fine. There'd be no errors. I just left those errors in there from the original Word document. I'd suggest fixing them first in the Word document and then making it into a PDF. So once you have these issues, to read more about them, you can simply click on the little white box to the left of the actual issue. You'll see it's marked with a green check, question mark, or an actual red circle with an X in it. Obviously the green check means everything is good. The ones where it has this little question mark means you may want to just check on it to make sure the reading order is fine. That's actually starting from the top to the bottom. It may not be a problem, but they think it's worth checking out. And when there's a red circle with an X through it, it means it actually failed and it does need some attention. So with this document, really the only problem it's showing is the title. So what I can do is fix that title. You could do this 2 different ways. We could go up to File, Properties, and give it a specific title. Right now it just says Your College, so you may want to give it a better name than that. This we did, let's see, Psychology as Exceptional Child, or we could just do Psych 333, Your College, whatever you think is best. The author, it's whatever was default. Obviously I'm the author, so you would put your name in here. Subject, I'll just keep it as psych. Keywords, if you wanted to give the name of the course, or again the course number, whatever you would want to write in there. And say OK. Another way you can go about fixing it is simply right-clicking on the actual error and choose Fix. It'll actually write it in for you, so it's a nice quick way to go about it. So the next issue you'll see here, something to check on was the color contrast. I don't know if you recall, but if we scroll down, it was in a table, I believe. That was this area, the green and the red text. It's just making you aware somebody may have an issue reading this. So as before in Microsoft Word, I would make sure to change that to black and white. Try to stay away from those color contrast issues that someone with colorblind issues may have a problem with. So again, that's something you could just manually fix in Word. Or if you find it okay, you could just click on Pass. The next one is the alternate text issue. You can click on the little white button to actually get to it. And here it is, the figures alternate text failed. If we open that up one more time, there's another little white box. Click on Figure 1. It'll actually take you directly to where the issue is. I can right-click on this and choose Fix. Basically all this does is it's asking for you to give it that alt text. And if you recall in the Microsoft Word demonstration I gave it a name. So I'll give one here. Dr. Bob Smith. Again, this is what the screen reader will read out loud. So whoever is going through the syllabus that's using a screen reader, it'll read out the name of the professor. So I'm just going to click Save and Close. So now all those issues are now taken care of. The next one is tables. I'm going to open it up. And basically what this is saying is the headers failed. Now, if you want to know specifically what that is, I'm going to click on the little drop down here, Element 1 and Element 2. If we click on these, it'll actually jump right to the area. So there's our evaluation table that had a problem, and also our weekly breakdown. If you recall in our Word document tutorial, I actually made this into a header, and it got rid of all those problems that we saw. It's a little bit more complicated in Adobe PDF to fix this, so I would highly suggest to fix it first, your tables in Word, and then bring it into Adobe Acrobat and fix some of the other issues you may have. It'll be far simpler. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out and email me at dgullo@ycp.edu. Thank you very much. I hope this tutorial was useful.